Hi everybody, welcome to another world. And today we are going to read Know About Courtesy. Say good morning to everyone when you wake up. Yeah, that's a great thing to do.
Awesome.
Here on a flower beside the girl, and she woke up by her mother with some milk in her hand to give her.
Oh, Mommy.
Always chew with your mouth closed.
Okay.
That's nice. You don't chew with your mouth open.
Because what would happen?
It will spread around.
It will spread around and fall out, maybe?
Like when you chew like this, food will fall onto the table.
It will fall onto the table. Okay. What is she having for breakfast?
Eggs with salt and pepper and juice as her tea.
Okay.
And look, she's chewing with her mouth closed, smiling.
Good little girl.
With chubby cheeks. Greet your friends when you meet them. They're saying hi, hi.
Okay.
Yeah. Greet your teacher when you meet her. This is the same page like this one.
Oh, I see.
The same picture like this one. It says class I.
That's
means
class 3. Okay.
With a tiny.
Right.
She's saying hi.
Hi.
Her hands are so small. And this one too. Do you like her dress, boys and girls?
Yeah, that's their uniform. What color is it?
Her uniform is pink, light pink and purple.
Okay.
And this teacher, she has a white and pink and light pink skirt.
Pretty. She looks pretty.
And she has the same color as her dress. Knock before you enter a room. This is a short word. She's knocking on the door. Do you know why there's hands on her? That means she's knocking on the door. She's like this.
Oh, she's going like that. Okay. Speak louder for the boys and girls.
Yeah. She is so happy. She's smiling with dotted eyes.
Okay.
With
Where is she
red
going?
bows.
Where is she going?
Into the principal's.
The principal office. Okay. Awesome.
Allow others to enter before you. This girl is the smallest and she is the biggest. She likes to enter the classroom. This girl is smiling. She's letting her go in there first. So nice. See, this is a classroom. When you are in the library, do not disturb others. See, this page is a rude thing
What is
to
happening
do.
there?
She is saying, shh, 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 shh,
Oh.
shh, shh, shh.
Okay. And what is the
And
other
she is
girl?
laughing like this. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Okay.
And she is not stopping to sing. Shh, 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 shh.
Because she wants to read and the other girl is laughing and loud. She's disturbing her.
Yes, and this is library silence. Ask permission before borrowing anything. I can pronounce this word.
Wow. That's a bright girl, Anna.
Do not make fun of other people.
Why? What's happening in the picture?
She is very fat. She eats junk food.
Oh my God. What should you not do?
You should not laugh at her, or
Why?
else she will be mad or sad.
She will be sad, and it's not nice to laugh at other people to make them feel sad. It's not nice to laugh at other people, okay, or make fun of other people. What's happening on
Do
the stage?
not push others who may be in your way.
Okay.
This girl is turning her mouth like an oval.
What is happening in the picture?
This girl is turning her mouth like an oval.
Look what is happening. The girl in the middle is pushing the little boy and the little girl. That is what is happening. And what happened as a result of the push?
Wait, this picture says smile and says.
What else is happening?
He said,
where are those books
they are
coming
not. They are not smiling.
from?
This girl is making her mouth like an oval, and this boy is making his mouth like this.
Because
he is surprised that his books are falling.
he's frightened. The little girl pushed him, and as a result, his books fell from his hands. He's frightened.
He opened his hands. Okay. Go down. It's bad manners to whisper secrets when others are around.
Wow. What is happening there?
There's a little house. Tiny.
Yeah. Those two little girls, what are they doing?
She is asking a question to her, and she is not happy.
She's not
She
happy.
she is mad
Why is she mad or sad? Why?
because she
What did the
is
word
not
say?
gonna hear
She's not
secret.
hearing what they're saying, so it's bad manners to whisper
because
secrets.
she always tells people that they're doing something bad.
What did the word say? What is the word saying on the page?
It's bad manners to whisper secrets when others are around.
Okay, and that's what those two girls are doing. That's why the other girl feels sad.
Or mad.
She feels sad. Yeah.
Or
Alright. What next?
before eating something, offer it to those around you.
Okay.
This man has a lot of lovely chips.
Okay.
And the chips are a circle.
So this page is telling you to be kind to others. Before eating something, you should offer it to others around you.
Offer means
kind.
giving something to people.
That's correct, Annalise. Bright girl.
Always come neat and clean to the dining table. A bad one and a good one.
Okay.
And look, she's dirty. There's dirt all around her dress and her shoes.
And why is it bad thing to go to the dining table when you're dirty?
Because when her hands are dirty too. But when you don't wash your hands, she doesn't want to, and she eats.
Blocking the words
Eat it.
in the picture.
She
Don't
eats
try not
it.
to block the words.
She eats it, and then she will get sick, and she will have to lay down on her bed every
Why would she get sick?
day because she could never go to school again.
Is it the germs?
Yeah.
Okay, because she's dirty. So what's on you when you are dirty? Germs. You need to clean off the germs. That's why
Little
you
things,
wash
little
your
things,
hands.
little things.
Little germs things. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna read this word and then I'll ask you why am I saying oh my gosh. Ask permission before leaving the table at mealtime. Oh my gosh. This is the same cook and picture on this page.
Wow. I see.
Oh my gosh. The sun has a dot in the middle on this one.
Yes.
And there's tree here on the island
Yes.
and with water like this one.
Yes.
And there's a clock pointing
Wow.
to 9 o'clock like this one.
It's not. Yeah, it's the same
And
time.
they're not. She has the same size dress and the same size
They're
shoes.
different clothes, so it's different times, but yet still the picture is saying the same time. How can that be? That's crazy.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
how
that's
the book
crazy.
is. Do not play music loud enough to disturb others.
That's right.
That is so rude of her. Rude. Oh my gosh.
All right, tell us about the
Look,
picture.
he is mad. Mad.
Oh.
Mad.
Oh.
Mad.
Okay.
Mad.
Anna, take time at the book.
Look, he has shoes on. And look at this.
What is
Oh
Daddy-
my gosh.
What is Daddy doing?
This is he is holding a huge newspaper.
Okay. So
she is
Daddy,
standing so happy, and he is sitting so madly.
because Daddy is reading and she's playing the music loud and it's disturbing Daddy.
Because
So-
she wants to dance really.
Yeah, so she has to be mindful and turn the music down so that she doesn't disturb her father. That's what the words are saying. Okay.
While watching television, do not switch channels without asking permission. She's beside her mother, and her mother is almost going to cry.
Oh,
She has tears.
okay.
She's almost going to cry.
Mm.
I feel sad for her.
It is rude to keep switching the channel when you're there together watching TV. You should ask. You don't just switch it and put it on what you want to watch, right? But somebody else is there watching with you.
Cover your mouth when you yawn.
Good.
She is saying, oh, with blue balls. Well, let's go. 1, 2, two blue balls.
Okay. Ready?
Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze.
Yes. Why?
She's opening her mouth like this.
What is happening with her? She's
opening her mouth like this.
Is she just opening her mouth? What is she doing?
Opening her mouth. And
No.
I don't think she's covering her mouth.
Annalise, she
Her
is-
nose is pointing to that way.
What is she doing though?
And the cloth is pointing to
Yeah,
that
but what
way.
is she doing? She's not just opening her mouth. She's sneezing.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's sneezing. And she's right. She's bringing the rag up to cover her nose. Is that what she's doing?
Yes, but it's not to her nose. That's what I always put the tissue on my nose.
Yes, you're to cover your nose completely so that you don't let your sneeze or mucus get on other people. Okay?
Do not interrupt when others are speaking.
What is that
I
word?
can pronounce this too.
Awesome. What word is that?
Interrupt.
Interrupt. Good job. What does that mean?
This old woman is opening her
Hello.
mouth.
Anna, what does the word
She is talking.
What does the word interrupt mean?
And this little girl is interrupting her mother.
She's
Interrupting her
So
mother.
what does that mean?
She is not opening her mouth. She's just doing this.
Okay.
And they're both holding their hands up. The old woman
They're
like
talking
that,
and
and the mommy like that.
The mommy and the grandma are talking and she goes there in between them and she's talking too. That's interrupting. She's supposed to say, "Excuse me, mommy, I want to say something."
She doesn't know that person. She wants to make her mother get away from her.
Okay. All right.
All right, the next page. Say excuse me when you need to interrupt someone. Say sorry if you knock into someone by a mistake.
What is happening there?
She's opening her mouth saying, ah!
Because while
She is
doing that-
running into her.
Oh, who ran into who?
This girl ran into the lady.
Okay. And what's happening
Green
as a result?
shoes.
What happened as a result of running into the lady?
If she runs into the lady,
Mm-hmm.
and look, her food is filling. It will fall on the ground
It'll
and
fall
she will
in.
have to buy more.
Right. Yeah.
Offer your help to people who need it.
Okay.
There's a little dot.
So
next
who
to
needs
pause.
help here?
This old man has a broken back.
He has a broken back.
Yes, he
Wow.
can't stand up.
He can't stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay.
And this girl is gonna hold this heavy bag.
Oh,
And he
she's
will
gonna help
hold the
him?
heavy bag. Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna help the old man because the old man has a lot of things.
Say thank you when someone gives you a gift.
Right.
He is smiling and she is smiling because there's one gift and they're not fighting.
No, somebody's giving.
Giving her a gift.
Okay, that man is giving the little girl a gift. Right. Did she say thank you?
She is not really saying it, but I don't hear her because
Yeah, she
she's
should.
in a book.
She should say thank you.
She's just smiling.
She's smiling because she's happy. Everybody loves gifts. Everybody.
Remember to greet anyone who visits you. She is about to take her hand like this.
Okay.
She has big shoes.
Who?
This little girl.
Oh, you're so right.
Look at her shoes.
Oh my gosh. Those shoes are big. You're so correct, Ada.
And those are her shoes.
They're big.
This is the last page.
Okay.
Say goodbye to your friends when you are leaving.
All
Let's
right.
answer these questions.
Yay!
And then we can say goodbye.
Yay!
What should you remember while watching television? You should ask permission before watching your thing.
Good
And make
job.
sure not to pull it out of her
Good
hand.
job, Anna.
What should you say when someone gives you a gift? Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, that's it for today, boys and girls. There's some more books here, but we're not going to talk about that. All right, boys and girls. Bye, boys and girls. I hope you like my story.
Like and share.
Like and share and subscribe.